Hello guys, in this video we will see how to log or unlock a user or role in PostgreSQL Server. The process is same for all PostgreSQL versions. We will see this by using two methods. One by GUI method, that is by using pgadmin, and second is by using command prompt, that is PSQL shell. Okay, so first let's connect to PostgreSQL. See, I have connected to PostgreSQL and the version is 16. Then go to logins. See here I have the user David James sales user and Postgres. Okay, so suppose if I want to log this David user, right click on it, properties, then go to privileges, then see this ball is right side means it is not logged. If you move this to left side, it is logged. Even if you go to the script, see here no login, which means cannot log in. That I will show you. Okay, so click on save. See, if you right click and refresh, see the symbol has been changed like this. Let me try to connect with logged user to PostgreSQL server. Now right click on servers, register server, then give David connection localhost port 44 username. See, we must change username to David. Then provide the password of this David user. Click on save. See, unable to connect to the server, connection failed because role David is not permitted to log in. Okay, so solution is we have to unlock. Privileges, unlock, save. Now again, right click servers, register server, David, connection, localhost, David, provide the password of this David user. Click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Properties, connection. See, we have connected with the user David. Okay, this is the one way to log or unlock. The second method is go to PSQL localhost database Postgres, username David, provide the password of user David. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify. Select current user. See, current user is David. Okay, but if we log, we won't be able to. Q to quit, press to Q. Again open PSQL. The commands are same in Linux environment also. Okay, enter localhost database same. Here user login with super user, that is Postgres. Provide the password of this user /du. See, we have these three users, all can be login. Now I am going to log user David, then just give no login, that's it, and put semicolon at the end and hit enter. Now try to give du. See, this user David cannot log in. Okay, so let us try. You have to disconnect and connect. Now right click on connect server, provide the password of, click on OK. See, we got the same error or like before. Even if you open new shell, that is PSQL, give the localhost, give the name user David, provide the password of the user David. See, we got the same error. Role or login or user is not permitted to login. Okay, so now unlock it. So you use the same, alter user, username David, unlock, put semicolon. It is not unlock, sorry, it is just give login. Instead of no login, you have to give login. See, now again verify /du. See, that cannot login attribute is gone. Now try to connect. Provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. So in this video we have seen how to log and unlock a user in PostgreSQL Server by using pgadmin or PSQL utility or tools. Okay. For more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.